Hello, this is Mike Strange with Paradise Farms. We're doing a cattle drive, moving them from one pasture to the other. And here they all come. This is early May. I think it's like the 3rd, it's a Sunday, first Sunday in May. Beautiful day. Here comes the little calves. They're all excited about moving to a new place. And hopefully they all have their babies. We've had 19 calves this year. One didn't make it, so we're looking for 18 calves coming through. This is one of our newest ones. And that's the mother right there, that big girl, 1062. Everybody's looking really good. Got a few more coming. And there's the birds following them. I see about 3 more back there. Oh, much more. Here they come. All right, we're almost done. Looks like we got 3 more coming. Back up out of the road. Oh no, that's not good. Mother Nature is not always kind. She's gonna regroup and gather herself and then come on through. You gonna be all right, girl? All right, this should be the last one. He hadn't been feeling too good. He's getting better, but needs to gain some more weight. Hopefully he'll be all right. And this is Trudy and our ranch hand's daughter Margot and our new Hunt V side-by-side. All right, this is Mike Strange signing off. Y'all have a wonderful day.